Looking for the best folding for phone but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best folding for phone based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Unnecto Snap. If you're looking for a budget-friendly flip phone that doesn't break the bank, this device might be worth considering. It's compatible with several GSM networks, including T-Mobile and Metro, but not with AT&T or CDMA carriers like Verizon. A full QWERTY keyboard makes typing and browsing easy, and expandable storage via a 32GB microSD card gives you space for photos and music. For those who want a simple, no-frills phone experience, this device is a snap clamshell design, reduces size and protects the screen and keyboard when closed, giving you a compact device that's easy to use. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Cell Phone. Are you wondering what makes a foldable phone truly stand out from the rest? For me, it's all about that killer camera, 200 megapixels of pure power that take incredibly detailed pics with ease. Then there's the supersized 8-inch screen that lets you view up to 3 windows at once, perfect for multitaskers and streamers alike. Add in seamless Google Gemini integration for on-the-fly assistance and you've got a device that's all about productivity and creativity. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE Cell Phone. This one's a game changer, folks, because let's be honest, most products in this category are just meh, lacking that special something that sets them apart. But this one's different, with a standout feature that makes it truly shine for those who need a hassle-free experience. I'm talking to you, busy professionals and parents who want it all done with ease. This product is for you. It's a total lifesaver. Quick verdict. I'm sold. It's a winner. Number 2. Motorola Razr 2025 Unlocked Made. We've all been there, struggling to take a decent photo on the go, or constantly flipping open our phone to check notifications when it's right in front of us. This phone solves those problems with its ultra-compact flip design, featuring a stronger hinge plate made with titanium, and a beautiful 3.6-inch external display that lets you check the time, texts, and apps without having to fully open it. It also boasts an impressive 50MP camera system powered by Moto Ari, making it perfect for capturing stunning photos and ultra-smooth videos in any situation. With Moto Ari's seamless integration, you'll get personalized assistance and professional-level results. Number 1. Google Pixel Fold Unlocked Android Smartphone. Designed for the ultimate multitasker, this game-changing device is a must-have for anyone who's always juggling multiple projects at once and wants the freedom to work, play, and create on the go. With a powerful Google Tensor G2 chip, seamless multitasking capabilities, and a stunning triple rear camera system, you can drag and drop apps, shop and compare in Chrome, and capture brilliant rear camera selfies and low-light photos and videos like never before. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.